Welcome to our tutorial on how to view all the members in a shared Snapchat story. Stay connected with all contributors by following these simple steps. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account. Tap on your avatar or profile picture to navigate to your profile settings. Scroll down to the Shared Stories section on your profile page. Next, locate the story you're interested in and tap on the three dots next to it to reveal additional options. Select View Profile from the menu options presented to see all the members who have contributed to the shared story. By following these steps, you can easily view and connect with all the members who have participated in the shared story, fostering a sense of community and collaboration on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this guide on how to view all the members in a shared Snapchat story. Stay engaged and connected with your fellow contributors by accessing the View Profile option in Shared Stories. Enhance your shared storytelling experience on Snapchat by exploring and interacting with all the members who have contributed to the shared story. Enjoy a more interactive and inclusive shared story experience on Snapchat by viewing all the members involved.